There we go. Just like that. Fat, bro. Wow. That's a big sunfish. All right. There we go. Pretty fishy. Thank you, buddy. Boop. We got two species. We got a bass and a little sunfish. I like it. Screw off. Damn, right into the tree. There we go. Just plopped her right in there. One fish on. Just like that. Come on. I don't know what y'all be eating, but sheesh. I think it's the biggest one of the day so far. Thanks, buddy. See you, buddy. So I'm making my way back down, so this should be the easier part of the trip because now we're just flowing with the current. Oh, there we go. Just like that. Right on the drop. And that is why you take advantage of all the time you have in the water, because I was just about to bring this up and he hit that right at the top too. Look at that. I would say that's the best fish of the day. They're a pretty fish. Yeah, these fish are beautiful in here. Very healthy. Thank you, thank you. He just got me soaked. That was fish number 4. Let's go. That was the best fish of the day too.